Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Yango driver app. Yango Pro driver app, it's available for Pakistan. So you cannot use this app outside the country. Maybe there is an update. You can use the other country, especially in India, Bangladesh, and a country nearby. So let's start by search the Yango here. There are some application here. There is a Yango a only or Yango Lite and Yango Pro and Yango Daily, Yango Maps, Yango Wind. So I recommend you and I want to show you this one, Yango Pro Taximeter. This is for driver only. You can tap it, you can download it freely from Play Store. So drive and earn more. You can complete trips, get bonus from Yango partners, get trip requests automatically. You can tap this for information. Well, all you have to do is register right now in just a few steps. After install this app, you can register. So this is about this app. You can learn before use this application as your money maker. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.